新幹線をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。まもなく6番乗り場に7時14分発ひかり592号レールスター新大阪行きが参ります。危ないですから黄色い点字ブロックまでお下がりください。自由席は1号車から5号車です。この列車は全車禁煙となっております。車内でおタバコはお吸いいただけません。この列車は8両編成でホームの中ほどに停まります。この列車は途中三原までの各駅と福山、岡山、姫路、西明石、新神戸に停まります。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Shinkansen, the Super Express Hikari 592 Rail Star, departing at 7:14, bound for Shin Osaka, is arriving at track 6. Please stay behind the yellow line on the platform. This train has 8 cars. Car 8 is at the front of the train, and Car 1 is at the rear. Cars 1 through 5 are for passengers without seat reservations. This train is completely non-smoking. Please refrain from smoking anywhere on the train, including areas at either end of the cars. This train will be stopping at every station before arriving at Mihara. After leaving Mihara, this train will be stopping at Fukuyama, Okayama, Himeji, Nishi, Akashi, and Shin Kobe before arriving at Shin Osaka Terminal. Thank you.